Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, I'm going to share with you a recipe, a simple method of making some of the most delicious air fryer lemon pepper wings. These are going to be absolutely amazing. I love wings. I don't know about you, but I love hot wings, any flavor. But these are so delicious. They are so easy to make, and I think you're really going to like this recipe. We're going to make them in the air fryer, so it's going to make it even easier. All right, guys, in here I've already got some of my chicken wings just ready to go. They've already been washed. I've already cut the end off of them, the little flappy end off of them. Some people like to leave it on, but I don't. I'm not about that. My mom always liked to. She always liked to like nibble on the end of it, but not me. And in this little mixture here, I've got some seasoned salt, some garlic powder, and some onion powder. And what we're going to do is just going to combine that. I'm not using a whole lot of this because I only have like, it was like 8 wings here, so it's not going to make a whole lot. I personally like the bone-in wings myself, and if you ask me, I'm a flap girl. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you like better, the little drumsticks or the flaps. I always like the little, not flaps, the flats. I don't even know what I'm saying today. I'm just going to mix that around there. And then I'm just going to pour it right over my chicken wings. And again, these have already been washed and, you know, defeathered. Sometimes you find little feathers on them. And that was about a ½ teaspoon of the seasoned salt and about 3/4 teaspoons of the other two, the onion powder and the garlic powder. And I'm just going to make sure that they're coated really well. This is like super easy. Doesn't get any easier than this. In another bowl, a small bowl, you're gonna add just a little bit of flour. You don't need a whole lot. You're not gonna dredge these. I mean, they're not gonna be a super, you know, you're not gonna put a whole lot of flour on the wings. You don't want them like super floury for this. Then you're gonna add some pepper. I like to add a lot of pepper. You add whatever your little heart desires. Your kitchen, your wings, your way. We're also gonna add a little bit more onion powder and garlic powder. And I'm not going to add any additional salt to this because I've got the seasoned salt in my wings over there. So I'm just going to combine this really well. Now what you're going to do is very simple. You got your wings here. And you're just gonna lightly coat them, just lightly in the flour. Nothing major, just lightly coat them. Like I said, you don't want them super floured, but you do want to have just a little bit of flour on them. And then you're just gonna place them right on your little rack there. So easy, so simple and easy. Now in the air fryer they go. You do not want to, you don't want to just throw them in there like on top of each other. It really needs room for the air to, the hot air to circulate through there. So just make sure you put them in on a nice even layer. I was kind of hoping I could get all of these in there. I think I might be able to. If I just kind of, you know, move them around a little bit. Now I'm gonna pop these in on about 380 for about 20, I'm gonna do about 22 minutes, and then we'll check them and we'll see where we're at with them. And once we get close to these being done, we're gonna go ahead and start on our lemon pepper seasoning. It's gonna go right over. It's gonna be perfect. Oh my goodness, look at those wings. Don't those look amazing? Let's go ahead and put these in a bowl. You need to make sure that you turn them about halfway through. Those are perfect, absolutely perfect. Look at those, beautiful. Now let's go ahead and get started on the sauce. What I've gotten here is about 3/4 stick of butter, and then we're gonna add some lemon juice to this. If you have the lemon pepper seasoning, that's perfect. If not, you can always make it with you're gonna need about 3 or 4 nice size lemons, and you're just gonna use the rind of the lemon to make that. I'm gonna use about, I want them nice and lemony. I'm not playing. I'm gonna use a couple little spoons of the lemon juice. Like I said, I don't have any lemons on hand, so I'm using lemon juice. And you're going to combine it with the butter that's in there. Like I said, that's about a half to 3/4 stick of butter. And then we're going to add lots of pepper to it. Gotta have pepper to it. And it wouldn't be complete without some dried parsley for color. Just drizzle that right over that chicken. Now you might not need all of this, and that's perfectly fine. And then we're just gonna give them a nice little shake. Just to make sure that all of them are nice and coated. Now onto your serving platter. Look how beautiful. Look at that. And that. Aren't those just amazing looking? Y'all know me. I can't wait to dig in. I'm going for a flat. They're gonna be hot. Mmm. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you something. The skin is crispy. It has just enough flour on it just to make it perfect. And the sauce, the lemon pepper sauce that goes over it, these are absolutely phenomenal. The chicken is juicy and tender inside. You definitely gotta lick your fingers with this. Perfect. These are gonna be perfect. These are gonna be perfect for the Super Bowl. I hope you like this recipe. I know I sure like it. You know I love you guys. You know I love you so very much. And I'll see you on the next episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy. Bye.